Would you rather walk through a graveyard at midnight or spend the night in a spooky abandoned house? Would you rather dunk for apples or carve a jack-o'-lantern? Would you rather meet a vampire or meet a werewolf? Would you rather be a vampire or be a werewolf? Would you rather read a spooky story or see a spooky movie? Would you rather have a costume that is really amazing but also very uncomfortable, or have a costume that is not anything special but is comfortable to wear? Would you rather have a homemade costume or have a store-bought costume? Would you rather go trick-or-treating with a group of friends or get paid $20 to take a little kid trick-or-treating? Would you rather win a contest for having the best costume or winning a contest for making the best jack-o'-lantern? Would you rather help design and make a haunted house, or would you rather go to a haunted house that someone else created? Would you rather be chased by 5 zombies or be chased by 1 werewolf? Would you rather eat all of your Halloween candy or trade your Halloween candy for $10? Would you rather dress up as a superhero or dress up as a villain?